In one of our last labs, what we did is we were using the orange suction cups, and based upon the air pressure, we determined the force that it could hold. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go in reverse by using these little mini suction cups to calculate the amount of force that's required to pull these little suction cups apart. And by that, we'll be able to determine, or close to coming to determine, the atmospheric pressure that's pushing in to hold them together. So the lab is fairly simple. It requires us to measure the area of these things, or the diameter. And what I've done is I've measured them for us. It actually comes out to be 2.2 centimeters across. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach these and push them together. So again, it creates the vacuum on the inside. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to then try to get this so we can see. I might have to go back and review this myself to see what it is in slow motion. What it is being recorded on our force gauge. So I'm going to try to zoom in a little bit so we can try to see this. That's about as close as I can get. We're on newtons right there, and I'm going to try to pull this up and see what force is required to pull these apart. Oops, make sure I need to get this orange suction cup nice and steady. Remember that can hold about 240 pounds. What type of force can these little ones hold? So it's going to be about 8, it's going to 10, 11, 12, 13, try to get it in view, 13, 14, 15, up to 16, 17, up to 18. It's just kind of shocking. So I think we got up to 18. I'll record a preliminary 18 for that, and we'll check the video to see if that got any better results for that. So we're going to do this a second time. We want to take an average of the 3. So I'm going to do the same thing. Let's see if we can get this in view. I think we may have lost the last one. Okay. So we're at 10, 12. Oh! That one kind of broke a little bit early. So that, I think, went to maybe 14. I'll go back and look at the video and see. I'm going to push them together a third time and see if we can get this on video. So we're at 10, 12, 14, 16. It looks like it was around 16. We'll check those, and then we'll do our calculations to try to calculate the atmospheric pressure that is pushing in on these mini suction cups.